Get her. Get her.
Will it hurt?
A little bit. Not really. Go get her.
I mean, it's pretty small. I don't think he could hurt you
Yeah,
too
I know.
bad.
Go get her. Go bite it. Go bite it again.
No, this stuff's not funny, man.
It's trying to protect something, it seemed like. Yeah, there it goes. Get her. Go get her. Go get her. Get her. Go get her.
It must be
Get
that
her.
bag.
Get her.
It's your bag. He doesn't like it.
Get her. Get her. Go get her. Look at the turkeys aren't even laughing at you.
Come back over here, Angel.
Yeah, come on, Angel.
Wait, what?
Try to come over here.
Look, that little baby rooster.
I know, really.
You can't get past that little baby rooster. He's blocking the way.
I know,
man.
Oh shit! Don't even. I don't think so.
I guess I don't like women either.
I know, man. Oh God! It's fluffing up. It's coming.
I'm sick of you.
Go away.
Don't you dare. Don't you dare. That one's going to be dinner.
Yeah, I know. It's just got a small little beak. Come on.
No. No. No.
That was good.
Oh my gosh, you were running. It was running after you. Oh, go around the tire. Go around the tire. Go around the tire. Yeah, this is funny.
You can just straddle it and run on by.
They're all laughing.
Oh my God, this is so funny. He goes running after you. Oh God, there goes the turkey. Yeah, there he goes.